Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I'm out here on the balcony on a bright, sunny day in Martinez. And that noise you hear is the school kids leaving the playground. They're not being tortured, although it sounds like it, and they're going up to the Catholic school 2 blocks up the street. But here's what it looks like at my house. And this is the Olympia folding cart. So this holds 300 pounds. Now here you have 20 pounds of cat litter, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 20 pounds of cat litter. And here you have 16 pounds of items. So there you have the cart. It is fully assembled. It took me forever to put the wheels on. And to fold down this handle, you push with your foot or your hand, and that folds down. And when it's folded down, to unlock it, you have to do the same thing. So now I'm going to push this for a little bit to show you that it does indeed work. And the amazing thing to me about this, it has a plastic bottom. The rest of it is all metal. And it only cost me 30 bucks. So now when I go to the post office, or I want to take my computer into the repair shop, or get a new monitor, or get the 2012. Oh, look, oh, I scared it. Look, a little hummingbird. How cute. I didn't mean to scare it. Anyway, when I get the 2012 Mac Pro by going to Sacramento in March, I can carry it back with this, and I don't have to ever carry a computer again in my arms, thereby re-injuring my arm or hurting my arm. So, and this, of course, on this surface, it's not the greatest thing in the world, but it turns quite easily with my left hand on. Not very good in my left hand. So, and there you see it. By the way, if you've never seen my giant plant, there it is. The plant that ate Cincinnati. There's my cactus. There's the hated grass. I'm allergic to grass. But it's a nice day out here. I wish I could go out. But I'm stuck here waiting for Amazon. So there it is. Easily holds 36 pounds. I can't jump on it. I'd break it. I'm too heavy. But for $30 at Walmart and 2 hours of putting the wheels back on, that the holes are misaligned, it's a good, pretty nice little cart. And this easily folds up. It's a little cumbersome, but it would have cost more. I would have designed this if I had designed this cart with wheels that fold into little holes in the bottom, like the Shield Agents of Shield car. The tires would go into the car, so you wouldn't have the wheels in the way. But that's okay. Anyway, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hopefully you stay warm and dry. And it's too nice to be sitting here waiting for an Amazon order. But that's what I've got to do. Got to sit here all day and do nothing. I'll do a little more cleaning progress. I'm running out of time. Have a great afternoon, a great evening, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.